gives me really immense pleasure to know that you people are loving the idiom series that I have started, especially for the like intermediate and first year students, class students. They are loving it. They are forcing me, they are urging me to come up with more idioms like that. So, hi everyone, I am Ali Gohar Mahesar, an English teacher and motivational speaker, and you are watching Learn English with Ali Gohar Mahesar. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press on the bell icon in order to know more video lectures, more video lessons from me. So today we are going to discuss the idioms, the more idioms in our this lecture, video lecture. I'm going to share with you people 10 other idioms that are useful for CSS, for combined competitive exam, for PMS exams, and for as well as for the secondary and higher secondary students level. So let's get started without any delay. So here we go with our first idiom. Number one, to turn a blind eye. To turn a blind eye means to overlook or to disregard, or we can say to ignore, or to connivate, or we can say pretend not to notice something. टू टर्न अ ब्लाइंड आई की उर्दू में मीनिंग होती है कि किसी चीज़ को देखा अनदेखा करना या किसी चीज़ को नज़रअंदाज करना. सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द सेंटेंस मेकिंग. प्लीज़ डोंट टर्न अ ब्लाइंड आई टू व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग. प्लीज़ डोंट टर्न अ ब्लाइंड आई टू व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग. नंबर टू, सेकेंड इडियम ऑफ द डे इज़ सेंड टू गैलोज. To send to gallows means to sentence someone to death, or to execute, or lynch. To send to gallows means किसी को सज़ाए मौत देना, किसी को फांसी पे चढ़ाना. Now the sentence with to send to gallows is, having proven guilty of the crime, the criminal was sent to the gallows. Having proven guilty of the crime, the criminal was sent to gallows. Number third, the third idiom of the day is in a fix. In a fix means in a trouble, in a troublesome situation, or in danger. We can say in bad spot. To be in a fix means किसी मुसीबत में होना, किसी खतरे में पड़ जाना, किसी बुरे हालात में फंस जाना. So the sentence with in a fix is, we are in a fix now because the hotel gave our room away. We are in a fix now because the hotel gave our room away. Number four, go a long way. Go a long way means to be very useful or helpful. Remember, we studied another idiom in our previous lecture, to stand in a good stead, which means to go a long way, which means to be very useful, very helpful, जिसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग होती है मुफीद साबित होना, कि किसी चीज़ के लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित होना. So the sentence with to go a long way is, this new law will go a long way to addressing this issue. This new law will go a long way to addressing this issue. Number five, kill by inches. To kill by inches. To kill by inches means kill mercilessly by torture, or kill gradually by torture, जिसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग होगी कि तड़पा तड़पा कर किसी को मारना. So the sentence with kill by inches is, anyway, he must have killed her by inches. Anyway, he must have killed her by inches. Number six, the sixth idiom is at logger's head. At logger's head means enemies, are opponents, are antagonists. जिसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग होती है एट लॉगर्स हेड की उर्दू में मीनिंग होती है मुखालिफ या कोई दुश्मन. So the idiom, so the sentence with at logger's head is, there was a time when India and Pakistan were at logger's head, but now the conditions have changed. There was a time when India and Pakistan were at logger's head, but now the conditions have changed. Number 7. The seventh idiom of the day is to get through. To get through means to pass, to be successful. This idiom is also used in commentary in cricket. When the commentators say now the bowler has got through. Got through means to become successful. So the get through means to pass, to be successful. To pass or to be successful. जिसकी मीनिंग होती है कि कामयाब होना. The sentence with to get through is, I need these lessons to get me through my exam. I need these lessons to get me through my exam. Number 8. Go hand in hand with. Go hand in hand with means be closely associated with someone or be closely connected with someone. के जिसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग होगी एक साथ रहना या एक साथ जाना या एक साथ होना. So the sentence with go hand in hand is, poverty tends to go hand in hand with disease. Poverty tends to go hand in hand with disease. Number 9. Learn by rote. To learn by rote means to memorize something without understanding. जिसको हम कहते हैं कि रट्टा मारना या रट्टा लगा के कोई चीज़ सीखना. So the sentence with learn by rote is, she learned the question by rote. She learned the question by rote. Number 10. On the horns of dilemma. On the horns of dilemma means faced with two equally undesirable alternatives. Faced with two equally undesirable alternatives. मुश्किल हालात में किसी मखमसे के सींगों पर, यानी कि ऐसे हालात में कि जिसमें दो बुरी चीज़ें या दो बुरी चीज़ें आपके सामने, उनमें से कोई आपने एक जो है एक को आपने चूज़ करना है. So the sentence with on the horns of dilemma is, whether I should accept this great job opportunity or should I accept it and move away from my family. Whether I should not accept this great job opportunity or should I accept it and move away from my family. Now let's move to the new words or the vocabulary of the day. The new words that came in our way today are, number 1, to overlook. To overlook means to ignore. To overlook means किसी चीज़ को नज़रअंदाज करना. The second word of the day is connive at. To connive, C-O-N-N-I-V, connive at means to ignore again. Ignore means nazarandaz karna. The third word of the day is execute. Execute means to bring into practice, to implement. And another meaning of the word execute is to hang till death. Number 4. The fourth word of the day is tend. T-E-N-D, tend. Tend means to look after, के परवरिश करना किस चीज़ की. And another meaning of the word tend is to contribute towards some outcome. To contribute towards some outcome. The fifth word of the day is dilemma. The meaning of the word dilemma is fix, or trouble, or pickle. So the dilemma means किसी मुसीबत में, किसी मुश्किल में, किसी उलझन में फंस जाना. So these were the words of the day that we discussed today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you want to listen more video lessons from me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And kindly just put a comment in a comment box below in order to let me know that how did you find my today's lecture. Thank you. We'll meet again with another video clip. Till then, goodbye. Thanks.